Pediatric cancer is the cancer that affects children. So that can be any age from birth to adolescents and young adults. So the uniqueness of pediatric cancer that's different than adult cancers is that it's a tumor of a growing system, of a growing patient. And so we have to figure out better ways to treat just the tumor, because therapies are going to affect normal cells probably more so than they do in an adult who is already fully grown and developed.
Research means asking the question why and how, and specifically, what you can target to hopefully give a child who would otherwise not have a future a healthy future.
The field of pediatric research is very exciting today because we're getting much more savvy at knowing how to target it. The therapies that we've been giving to patients and that we continue to give to patients right now target all kinds of cells, not just the tumor cells. And in a developing child, it's very important to just hit the target. So right now in the field of research, we are in an era of what we call personalized medicine, precision medicine. So personalized, we choose therapies that target just that tumor. And precision is that we're really good at just hitting that tumor, very precise. While 80% of patients can be cured, a large majority of those patients are fraught with a lot of late effects of therapy, a lot of toxic side effects. That's why it's so important to study pediatric cancers and to really understand what hits only a pediatric cancer from a therapy standpoint, so that that child not only is cured of their cancer, but has a normal life when they grow up. And I think it's really the research efforts that Amanda does in my lab and all the other pediatric cancer labs that's going to bridge that gap.
It's motivating to know that the work that I do is potentially going to give a child a healthy future. And I think the work that we do will, if not now, definitely eventually impact both children and their families. I admire their resilience and courage. You see a lot of these kids come through and they're going through these really hard therapies to endure, and a lot of them still have smiles on their faces, and I just really admire that resilience a lot.
It's really, honestly, an honor to be able to do what I do. So many people are like, oh, you do pediatric oncology. Oh, that's so sad. And I'm like, it's the most rewarding job I could have ever asked for. When something's not going well in the clinic, it gives me the drive to get back in the lab and make things better. When I'm not getting that grant or not getting that paper, I just walk over to the clinic and I see that patient running around the nurse's station and I remember what it's all for.